Where are we going to go? Don't say that. Don't say that, Dad. It might come back. Come and hit us, Dad. We got to get out.
No, it's alright, but it's going to go past us.
I hope so. Look at it over there. Look at it up there. Another one over there, probably. Hear that? Look at the cloud. Look at that cloud. I reckon we should go. We should just go back into town.